Hello everyone, today we are back here again with another product, and this time we are going to be taking a look at this portable solar charger. Now what makes this panel really unique is that it's so lightweight and easy to carry, folding into this handy little briefcase that you can hold with this handle and move around wherever you want. You can throw this in the back of a car or in a bag, and it just makes it really easy to carry around with you. Once you've unfolded it, you've now got a full-size solar panel near enough. Now this is IP65 water resistant material too. It comes with all of these lovely accessories, connectors and chargers for different applications, devices, generators, you name it. You've got what you need in here. You can plug it in here to the solar charger, and I can plug this in, and just like that, we now have charge. All coming from inside this solar panel right here. So that is everything that comes with the portable solar charger 120 watt version, and I hope that gave you a very quick overview of what you can expect if you're looking to purchase this product.